107. This, i-close na ko or not?
So many days. Chops.
So we are now here at the Sabongero. We're doing the performance task for midterm task.
Gawa sa aircon.
Performance task for the purposive communication. Here it is. Fighting! First year laban.
Properly.
That's wonderful, Colleen. That's a really good way to start a conversation.
Actually, I have a story about that. I've experienced that everyone's like, yeah, okay, we'll figure it out. But no one actually assigns roles and no one checks in. Then suddenly, it's the night before the deadline. Walang gawa, panic mode.
Diba? Then people start copy-pasting last minute, acting chill. But on presentation then, dead silence. Stress all over. Not because people were lazy, pero dahil lang sa lack of communication.
Exactly, JL. And that right there is miscommunication. Now, imagine that on global scale.
Oof! Chaos! Uy, unsay naaday. Anong katawaman mo?
Kaya na sa danato.
Perfect kayo! Sorry!
Mga anak. Go!
Communicast
Podcast, where communication becomes connection. Hello everyone, welcome to the very first episode of Communicast. I am Colleen and today I am joined by my awesome friends, Cha, John, Pam, and Deez.
Hi everyone! Mabuhay!
Hello everyone. Okay, so how are you guys doing?
We're doing great!
Okay. Alright, so now let's start strong. I have a question to the four of you. Have you ever been in a group project or any kind of situation where everything just fell apart because no one actually communicated properly?
That's a good...
Okay lang. Sige, go. Ikat lang ito natin.
Kasi kaya ako imanday.
Ay, gana. You know what, Colleen? That's a kind of normal.
One, two, three, go. You know what, Colleen? That's a really good way to start a conversation.
Yes, Jay.
Especially it's aligned to our topic today.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Actually, I have a story about that.
Actually.
Actually,
Okay.
Go, makat-kat pa na. Go na. 1, 2, 3, go.
Actually,
actually.
Go.
Actually, I have a story about that. I've experienced that everyone like, yeah, okay, we'll figure it out.
Go lang.
Actually, I have a story about that. I've experienced that everyone's like, yeah, okay, we'll figure it out. But no one actually assigns roles and no one checks in. Then suddenly, it's the night before the deadline. Walang gawa, panic mode.
Diba? Then people start copy-pasting last minute, acting chill. But on presentation day, dead silence. Stress all over. Not because people were lazy, pero dahil lang sa lack of communication.
JL, exactly. And as you can see, and it's evident that right there is miscommunication. Now imagine that on a global scale.
Oof! Chaos!
These literal chaos. And that's why today we're diving into how effective communication helps us connect as individuals and as nation. How it bridges cultures, promotes respect, and also helps us celebrate our differences.
And guess what? We asked some questions on Instagram. Wait.
Go lang.
And guess what? We asked some questions on Instagram about communication and culture. And wow, ang daming responses.
Pam, that's correct. So, ay, mali. Sorry. Usab guday. Mali ako ang tono. Usab guday. Okay.
And guess what? We asked some questions on Instagram about communication and culture. And wow, ang daming responses.
Yes, so in this episode, we're gonna read some answers, share stories, and reflect on what they really mean for us as communicators and culture barriers. So we have here our question number 1. What does effective communication mean to you?
Okay, let's start from tinytalks.ph. She said, for me, effective communication is when people feel safe to speak and also feel heard. Grabe, that hit deep.
Same. Same. Diretso. Same. People always think communication is just talking.
Talking?
Same. People.
Go lang.
Same. People always think communication is just talking. Pero if no one's. Same. People always think communication is just talking. Pero if no one's actually listening, parang wala rin. For me, it's more about connecting, not just expressing.
Tama. Whether sa group work, family, or even business, when you listen with intention, everything flows better. Fewer conflicts, more solution.
Exactly, Pam. Kayong tatlo, JL, Cha, and Pam, you know what? You're right. So now let's proceed to the question number 2. Have you ever experienced a cultural misunderstanding? Ang ina ni tawag.
Hoy!
Fuck you!
Yung mama tinagon.
Wala.
Ay, wala. Wala siya naman.
Wala siya naman. Okay, dito.
Ay, hindi. Lugar. Fuck you!
Hapin dito. What happened na to?
Gago.
Balik sa sa question.
Okay, so now let's move on to our question number 2. Have you ever experienced a cultural misunderstanding?
This one's interesting actually. It's being shared by one's explorers. It stated that I gave a thumbs up in another country and apparently it was offensive there.
What? I didn't even know that, diba? Like, it's wild how body language means different things, like depending on where you are.
Exactly. That's why it's important to ask, research, and also mag-observe. Even simple gestures can send the wrong message.
I remember this. My friend from the US was so used to beso beso. When she came back to the Philippines, she did it with a guy who liked her. Ayun, the guy thought it means something.
Okay,
Di ba
ito na. Ako na lang, Anina. Ay,
Monday
okay lang sa'yo
or
mga ako
whatever.
na lang, Dariday.
Oh.
Okay lang?
Go, 1, 2, 3, go.
I remember this. I have a friend from the US. She was used to the beso beso.
Yeah.
Alright, so that one. When she came back here in the Philippines, she did it with a guy who liked her. Ayun, the guy thought it meant something more.
Oh no. That's why
Yes.
it's important talaga to explain, not just assume.
Right?
So true. Isn't that the rule? Don't assume unless it's stated.
Yeah, that's right. Parang ganun lang. Don't really assume.
Subukan mo.
Sige.
7 minutes na ta.
Dili, dagan mo na makat. 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, now let's proceed to our last question. How can young people help protect their culture? Okay, this one's close to home. Let's each share our take.
Someone messaged by simply telling our stories. Someone messaged by simply someone messaged.
Okay, so someone message.
Okay.
Kaya parang murag mo, ting, anak lang na sa akong effect. 1, 3, go.
Okay, someone messaged By simply telling our stories, we preserve our culture. Simple but powerful.
Totally agree. Even just posting about your town's fiesta or your grandma's recipes, that's already cultural storytelling.
Exactly, JL.
Maog yun. Social media isn't just for trends. It can be a powerful tool to educate and pass on traditions.
Yes, like teaching someone a Filipino word or explaining why we do simbang gabi or celebrate kadayawan or any kind of celebration. And every small things counts.
And you know what? Real tanga. Okay, sorry.
You know what, Tama?
Okay. Exactly, no. And you know what really helped me appreciate Filipino culture more? I joined once in a cultural exchange program where I met students from Japan, Vietnam, and Indonesia through virtual lang. But, talking to them, sharing our stories and culture, and learning about their cultures also made me realize how important it is to protect and honor our own, and how important it is to have an effective communication. Because when we understand others, we also begin to value what we have even more.
Yes, and culture isn't meant to be kept ourselves. It's meant to be shared and respect.
And that's the power of effective communication. It connects us while reminding us of who we are.
Exactly,
Yeah.
diba? So we can really see how important effective communication is. Not just like communication is really important, but effective communication is much more important.
Yes,
you know?
indeed.
To establish relationships, like we have what we have learned
Yes,
and
and purposive
communication.
right?
Yes, Ma Vanessa is really great teacher, no? Kasi na-apply talaga natin sa
Yes.
ating sarili. Okay, so now let's move on to our reflections and like real talks. Okay, so let's start with Pam. So, sorry.
So,
Okay, so ikaw
what did you
Day.
learn from this episode? Ayan.
Okay, so ikaw na lang. Okay, so ikaw. Okay, now let's move on to so now let's proceed to our reflections and real talk.
So, what did we learn from all this?
That communication is powerful, but only if it's effective, intentional, respectful, and exclusive.
Inclusive day.
Inclusive.
Yes.
Yes.
Sabday,
And
sabday.
so,
Okay, so. Okay, so
Inclusive.
so now let's proceed to our reflections and real talk.
So, what did we learn from all this?
Chat, what you have learned?
That communication is powerful, but only if it's effective, intentional, respectful, and inclusive.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, how
Yes.
about you, Ray?
And so as culture is not something we gatekeep.
Wala, may Ray.
Ay, sorry.
sorry. Mali ko.
Kasi Ray, anas mo.
Okay.
Last
G's
part
pala.
na si Ray.
Okay, so, balik na. 1, 2, 3, go. Now let's move on to now let's proceed to our very last part, which is the reflections and real talk.
So, what did we learn from all this?
Chat, what have you learned?
That communication is powerful, but only if it's effective, intentional, respectful, and inclusive.
Wow, okay, so now let's proceed to these. What have you learned from what we have discussed?
I think one thing that I've learned is that culture is not something we gatekeep. It's something we share, protect, and pass on.
Wow.
Yeah, totally agree. Because through communication, we can break harmful stereotypes,
Exactly.
fight ignorance, and build bridges with others.
Exactly, JL. Now, so whether diba, you're chatting online, working on a project, or simply just talking to a friend like this, it is
Yeah.
and one of the best example that we have an effective communication, because based on your feedbacks I can see that our perspective sets aligns, right?
Yes.
So use your words to build understanding and not walls, diba? It's really important.
That's
like,
right.
yes, thank you, JL. So now that's a wrap for our very first episode of Communicast. We're so glad you joined us.
If you, sa tingin, saan pag outro na.
Ah,
This
okay na.
Canva.
Sige.
Tag us sa Instagram.
Balik ka,
Sige,
sige.
gawa.
And now that's a wrap for our very first episode of Communicast. We're so glad you enjoyed Okay, so alright, that's a wrap for our very first episode of Communicast. We're so glad you joined us.
If you enjoy this convo, tag us on Instagram and share.
And share.
And share.
And share na lang. Ayun na lang, how do you use
And use the hashtag
ano na lang, and use that, how do you use communication to empower your culture, ano?
And how do you
hashtag Communicast, ano lang.
Ana.
Use hashtag Communicast,
Huh?
ano lang. Ano sa man?
Saman.
Diba? Muna sa tinalimutan niyo diba?
Basta dahil ako, ano. Like, ano,
If you enjoy this
ano,
convo,
tag us on Instagram and share. Ano na lang?
and share.
And share.
Hashtag.
Oh.
Ano,
Ayan
doon
na.
siya after Ana and share. Hashtag Pepe.
Share.
Ako na lang sa
And don't
share.
forget, every voice matters. Yeah, sabay natin yung padayon and keep speaking with purpose. Communicast, podcast.
Sige, 1, 2, 3, go.
But,
Siya pa.
Okay, so what?
Kadali.
Tapos yung padayon and keep speaking with purpose. Bye, guys! Tapos, hilong kamay rin. Communicast. 1, 2, 3, go. That's a wrap for our very first episode of Communicast. We're so glad that you joined us.
If you enjoyed this convo, tag us on Instagram and share.
And don't forget, every voice matters.
So guys, padayon and keep speaking with purpose. Bye guys!
Bye!
Bye!
Salamat!
Communicast,